All right, my people. This is my director. We are now in the river. This is Udume River. Udume.
Yeah. Idim.
Okay, they say the Idim. Idim River. Udume? So we are to shoot here too. Ibamaka things, you know what's up, all this kind of a thing, you know. Okay, I say now Apakala River. And I see this sort of best African queen, you know. You can see, yeah. Okay. My makeup artist is running away. All right, this guy is bad. You don't see this guy dance before?
The Nosh Master.
Hey, this guy can move. Not his body, oh yeah, nah. Another African queen hiding here. You see, Chai, Ibamaka don't bring people out to see this guy. This is Ibamaka. Chai, skata.